Does anyone want a margarita? Nice dance moves, guys. Then you need to quit talking. Oh, I got that on film. He said, "You want to go home?" No, then you better quit talking right now. All right, we're going to Uncork, California. Where's the line? I don't know. There you go, mimosas, flight. Thank you. There you go, enjoy. Thank you so much. Mimosa flight. What kind do we got here? We got
mimosa flight.
Yes, you know I love flight. Any chance I get, I'll get a flight. Pear mimosa, apricot mimosa, mango mimosa. Everyone wants to try a little bit?
Yeah. This one is what? Mango.
Ooh.
Mango, pear. No, mango.
I think this is apricot. Let me see. Ooh.
Pear? Pear.
Oh my god, that's pear.
Mango?
Pear, oh no, pear, mango, apricot.
This one's really good.
You can have it, friendy. They're all good. Oh yeah, that was really cool. I know, magic. Fritas, margaritas. Baja blenders. Does anyone want a margarita? About to get some chicken with the spicy Korean sauce. And Torple's gonna get the chicken with the teriyaki sauce.
Whoa, 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 what's this about?
Hey, what?
Give me that.
Give us those veggies, son!
Put them right here. I'm gonna eat that.
Eat those veggies! And we got tofu eaters over here. Where's your tofu at? Give me some.
She gave it to me.
Oh, she gave it to you? You didn't want to eat?
She looked. Baby, you don't even have her strapped in.
I know, I have her legs strapped in.
Yeah. She could just go.
Baby, no, she's not gonna go. She's not gonna go. She might do that. Nice dance moves, guys. See if we can get up to the top. The tippity top. Come on. Let's go. Party elevator, everybody in the elevator.
Elevator for that purpose.
Elevator, party elevator.
Here.
No, it's party.
The humidor. Y'all drink it, and I can order from here.
I guess it's me and Torple. What does everybody want? Trying to figure out what they want while my baby sleeps.
Gotta walk her in here.
I'm at the Al Fresco Wine Terrace, and you can see Mission Breakout over there. They're really working hard. Now they got tons of scaffolding, so they're working fast. What did we get, baby? Let's hear.
All right, we got the Silverado Vineyards Cabernet Sauvignon, the Chapelet Signature Cabernet, the Frank Family Vineyards Cabernet, all Napa Valley. The family of wines. This is good.
This is good. That's the Silverado.
That's good. Like this with some steak.
Oh my god, that'd be so good with steak. Say that again for the camera.
I'm allergic to wine.
What? He's allergic to wine. What happens? Your ears get itchy?
No, I turn red and
Whoa. They were out of margarita?
Yeah. They were still open though. Oh, we're out. So.
Why are you open?
The last one, I don't know which one it is because we mixed them up when we put them back.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But they were all very good.
She thinks I'm a heathen, and I am. See, I love that. Bye, Felicia's. No, it's steak.